sweep a laser pointer across the moon, and the red dot leaps from New York to Los Angeles faster than light could make the trip. You flick your wrist, and the dot jumps across the planet in less time than it takes for a single photon to reach the moon and back. That sounds impossible. Light is the speed limit of the cosmos. Nothing goes faster. But the red dot is not an object. It is a label. You are turning on different atoms one after another. They do not communicate. They do not pass energy between them. They just light up. The darkness between them moves faster than light because it does not need to move at all. It is already there, waiting for you. Hold your hand in front of a street lamp. Watch the edge of your shadow on the pavement. Move your hand slightly. The shadow edge shifts instantly. Now imagine that street lamp is a star 10 light years away. Moving your hand just a millimeter would sweep that shadow edge across the planet faster than any signal could travel. Your brain expects something to carry speed from point A to point B. You assume the darkness is a particle with mass and fuel. But a shadow is not a substance. It is an absence. It is the place where the light failed to arrive. This distinction between motion and sequence is the key. The spot on the wall does not know what happened at the source until the light actually gets there. The first atom lights up, then the second. They are independent events. No information travels from the first atom to the second. The sequence exists only in your eye and in the source. A shadow has no inertia. It has no connections. It is a pattern. Patterns can shift instantly across a distance if the source moves fast enough. The universe only cares about cause and effect. It only cares that cause comes before effect. In a shadow, there is no cause traveling from left to right. There is just a list of events happening in order. Think of a stadium wave. People stand up and sit down. The wave moves around the stadium faster than any person can run. But no person leaves their seat. They just react to the neighbor. The shadow is the same. The shadow. It is the crowd standing up. The light is the people sitting down. The motion is in the timing, not the travel. This gets stranger with black holes. Astronomers watch gas clouds swirling around black holes. Sometimes the shadows cast by those clouds dance across each other. The edges move in ways that seem to exceed light speed, but they are just intersections where light meets dark. As long as no signal crosses that line, relativity stays safe. You measure the time between the first flash and the last flash. You are not measuring a journey. You are measuring a duration. The distance is fixed by your geometry. The time is fixed by your rotation. Divide them, and you get a number. That number can be anything. It does not have to be physical. So when you sweep that laser across the moon, you are not breaking the law. You are reading it correctly. The limit applies to stuff. It applies to electrons and photons. It does not apply to the edge of a shadow. The universe allows darkness to outrun light because that motion requires no transport of matter or information.